three most important Trennbare verbs you will need in Germany while using transport in Germany. So here we go. The first is einsteigen, is to board the train or bus, to get in the bus, get in the train. For example, steigen Sie die Tram ein. That means get into the tram or board the tram. Then next is umsteigen, is to change the transport. When you get down from one transport medium, let's say you get down from the bus and you have to catch the train, that is called change in the transport, is called umsteigen. So steigen Sie am Marktplatz So some location I have given here, random location, like get down and catch another transport medium at this location. So that is steigen Sie am Marktplatz means change the transport at this stop, at this station. Then next is aussteigen, to get down. Steigen Sie am Bankverein aus, that means get down at this stop. So steigen Sie am Bankverein aus. Einsteigen, umsteigen, aussteigen, all are Trennbare verbs. All are Trennbare verbs. Follow for more. Choose.